इंडियन ऑयल के हेड हमारे साथ उस गवर्नमेंट के जो मिनिस्टर थे उस टाइम के उनके घर गए बट देन कि हमें सिर्फ उस नाले से वो वीड निकालने का अप्रूवल मिल जाए एंड वी वर नॉट ग्रांटेड दैट अप्रूवल कैन यू गेट इट so when I was talking about thinking about what name do we give to the brand after Shark Tank, because until Shark Tank we didn't have a brand consciousness, so to say. We were only manufacturing and exporting and doing B2B. But after Shark Tank, we realized, and Anupam Mittal was the one who said that, oh, Mojo is a good name for a fuel brand like this because Mojo means power.
Hello everyone, welcome to Plan B, where every business matters. I'm your host Nashata, and I couldn't be more thrilled to start my first episode. So, today joining us is Sapna Kapoor, the founder of a sustainable barbecue and grilling lifestyle brand called Mojo Vibe. It is an experiential brand that is trying to reinstate the barbecue culture in India. Their products are smokeless, organic, portable, and eco friendly. So let's meet the visionary behind it. So, hi Sapna, thank you for being here. Welcome to Plan B.
Yes, pleasure is all mine. Thank you for inviting.
It's our pleasure actually. You are here on our first episode. So, this is going to be very special for us.
It's going to be a major hit.
Fingers crossed. Anyways, I would like to first understand, Sapna, you had a very successful corporate career. So, what made you take this leap and follow your plan B as a business?
Life is very interesting because it takes different routes as you evolve in your career progression. And I was doing very well in my corporate career, and suddenly, but I've been always wanting to do something in the environment space, not clear as to what. And then कुछ ऐसा हुआ जिंदगी में that I met a very old friend who had already left the corporate world to do something in this space. We met up over coffee, and he says he wants to maybe set up another company in India. So I jumped onto that idea. So I took a sabbatical for about 6 months, which was like paid leave, and then went to where he was to see what he was doing. And I really researched around how it works, what we can do in this space, collated the data, and then realized that yes, I think India is quite ready to receive this kind of a brand, and we need to do something in the environment space, especially reducing the carbon emissions. And after my sabbatical, I never joined back.
Oh, interesting. Actually, your innovation is quite incredible, I would say.
Yes.
Yeah. Sabna, I would like to understand what Mojo Vibe means actually. It's quite interesting name. So, do you have a story behind it?
So when I was talking about, thinking about what name do we give to the brand after Shark Tank, because until Shark Tank we didn't have a brand consciousness, so to say. We were only manufacturing and exporting and doing B2B. But after Shark Tank, we realized, and Anupam Mittal was the one who said that, oh, Mojo is a good name for a fuel brand like this because Mojo means power. And he loved the logo also. So ये हुआ कि when we were creating the full scale brand around the sustainable barbecue and grilling category, we were moving away from only the trademark that we had in class 4 for coal. Because now we were doing organic sauces, we were doing merchandise, we were doing accessories, and the trademark was not available of Mojo and all the other categories. That was one. And the second was I wanted to really, make the millennials understand that sustainability can also be a vibe.
Right.
Sustainable, adoption of a lifestyle can also be a vibe. So then I thought that, let the power of the concept with the vibe that it'll create being the name of the brand. So this is how Mojo Vibe was called.
Quite interesting. I like the concept that sustainability can also be a vibe. Yeah. Now, as you talked about Shark Tank, how was the experience like after Shark Tank? Like, did your company, your brand, your customer perception, it all changed to and set up a different angle?
या शार्क टैंक के बाद तो ये होता है दैट you start getting a lot of podcasts invites and a lot of customers starts understanding more about what you do, how you do it. So obviously थोड़े से eyeballs तो आपको मिलते हैं. Perception, I think the more I'm talking, like I'm using these opportunities of podcast to talk about what we do, तो उससे अपने आप एक awareness बन रही है. So that is also cascading in the kind of requests we get from industrial clients who have started adopting this kind of a fuel for their industrial boilers. Even home, cooks or chefs or end users or people who are into adventure trekking, they're themselves calling you now to understand what's the kind of packaging we have, which could be an offering for them.
Right.
So I've seen those, that kind of a shift and the kind of momentum that has picked up in terms of our revenue and sales, because now the larger audience understands the space, which was never the case until Shark Tank. And so obviously हमारे लिए थोड़ा आसान हो जाता.
Right. And now if I talk about like major metro cities, आप देखेंगे कि मुंबई, दिल्ली, there is lot of air quality index is deteriorating, and it's the talk of the town. And carbon emissions and climate change are the most critical issues that our planet is facing. So how do your products align with like this pollution angle?
So in fact, the whole concept was around reducing carbon emissions. The brand consciousness of it all came much later, right? So since I always wanted to do something in the environment space और पता नहीं क्या करना था, the moment I got this idea that India is the world's second largest producer of fossil coal. That's the number one statistic everybody needs to know. The second is that in spite of being the world's second largest producer of fossil coal, we are still importing about 300 million tons on an average per annum, increasing the debt burden of the country. And ये fossil कोयला हम जब import करते हैं, obviously हम जलाने के लिए import करते हैं, right? इसका मतलब energy consumption, जो कि oil, coal and gas तीनों मिला के हम इंडिया का अगर देखें तो 87% fossil dependency है. अगर fossil dependency है तो आप जलाओगे, carbon emission release होंगे, आप और जलाओगे, आप और इम्पोर्ट करोगे, आप कार्बन एमिशंस को और बढ़ावा दोगे. और दूसरी तरफ आपके पास एग्रीकल्चर वेस्ट बहुत है, उसको भी आप जलाते ही हो क्योंकि आपको पता नहीं है उसके बाद क्या करना है, तो उससे भी आप कार्बन एमिशन रिलीज करते हो. तो ये दोनों तो कंपाउंडिंग प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. उसके बाद आप पेरिस क्लाइमेट ट्रीटी जो ग्लोबल कन्वेंशन होते हैं जहाँ पे वर्ल्ड लीडर्स आते हैं और आप बोलते हो हाँ ये प्रॉब्लम हमारे भी देश में है, लेकिन हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं और तब तक इन सम पीरियड ऑफ टाइम मे बी विल बी एबल टू रिड्यूस इट बाय सम परसेंटेज, जो आप कमिटमेंट्स देके जा. बट मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि ये काफ़ी डायकोटोमस स्टेटमेंट्स हैं क्योंकि जब तक हम ग्राउंड लेवल पे इस पे मोमेंटम बिल्ड नहीं करेंगे तब तक गवर्नमेंट की इनिशिएटिव्स भी क्या ही कर ले.
Right.
So till the time everybody is aware of such things that exist and everybody plays an important role in ensuring that they also contribute to this larger governmental initiatives of reducing carbon emissions, तो हम I think ये मुहिम तब तक सार्थक या हम आगे इसको नहीं बढ़ा के ले जा सकते. So that was the intent with which we started this story. Now this whole brand is such that it's not just a coal brand, but we are creating the full 9 yards to give the consumers a holistic, sustainable experience. So we just don't have the coal, which are just two varieties so far, but we also are doing barbecue organic sauces, barbecue merchandise, barbecue grills, accessories to make the whole experience very, very. Because barbecuing also, if you were to say, पहले होता था ना जमाने में लोगों को टाइम होता था, दे वुड गैदर टुगेदर ओवर वीकेंड्स, कुछ ना कुछ कुकिंग होती थी फैमिलीज में एंड पीपल वुड एंजॉय. आज का दुनिया अगर आप देखो तो इतनी बदल गई कि आज लोगों के पास अपने या दूसरों को बुला के कुछ बैठने के लिए टाइम नहीं है. तो ये देख रहे हैं आजकल थेरेपी सेशंस हो रहे हैं. थेरेपी इतनी ज्यादा, आई एम नॉट टू से नॉट सेइंग दैट इट्स बैड, बट आई एम सेइंग दैट इफ यू ऑलरेडी हैव those vintage experiences that you've been brought up with in the past, why don't we revive those experiences?
Definitely.
West इसमें अच्छा काम कर रहा है. So if I travel to the West, people like, even if you're like nowhere known to them and it's a weekend, हर कोर्टयार्ड में, हर बालकनी में जो भी उनके पास फेस होती है बारबेक्यू हुई, और कोई भी सामने से सड़क पे निकल रहा है वो उसको इनवाइट करता है. तो उसे ओवर अ चिट चैट आप उसको जान भी जाते हो, फील गुड इन एन अननोन कंट्री, इन एन अननोन नेबरहुड. And I thought, why don't we sort of reinstate this kind of a thing in India? So this barbecue and sustainable grilling experience is targeting the millennials who need to understand the importance of bonding. who need to understand that for the emotional stability and equilibrium, लॉफ्टी गोल्स होना लाइफ में जरूरी है, बट अच्छी सेहत भी उससे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, स्पेशली मेंटल स्टेबिलिटी।
Yeah.
तो मेंटल कथारसिस जिसको बोलते हैं, जहाँ पे आप बात करते हैं अपने आप से भी, अगर आप बात कर रहे हैं व्हाइल यू आर ग्रिलिंग एंड वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम,
Hmm.
इट्स अ गुड थिंग टू डू।
Definitely. Even I would like to share one of my experience. As you mentioned that I come from Amravati city. So we have small houses there. We don't have huge buildings. So मेरे neighbor में terrace पे कुछ लोग ये barbecue कर रहे थे. And I also, me and my mother climbed on my terrace. And they also invited us. So it was a nice, so because we hardly talk to our neighbors. In Mumbai also we hardly do that. It was such a nice, lovely experience.
True.
Yeah. You mentioned few of your products. Can I know more products? Like what are your overall products and what new products are you coming with?
So we have four, subcategories as I earlier talked about. So we are today doing only two varieties of coal, but the plan is to also, because the world today offers around 27 varieties of coal. So there's a coal which is called a white charcoal, which is not really known to India. We want to bring in all of those best varieties in the world of charcoals to India. There's something also called a citrus coal. We want to introduce all of that. So it's still in the making, in the process. Then the second subcategory is barbecue accessories and equipments. So जैसे मैंने कहा that जो instant coal की हमारे millennials को बहुत आदत हो गई है, केमिकल है उसको में, बट देन दे लव इट कि वो लाइटर जला और वो जल गया, बट ऑब्वियसली उसको हम सेम केमिकल्स डाल के नहीं करवाना चाह रहे थे अपने कोल्स में। सो वी अडॉप्टेड अ सिंपल एक फ्लेम टॉर्च आता है जो कि हाई पावर फ्लेम टॉर्च है, उससे आप 2 मिनट में वैसे भी जला लोगे, ऑर्गेनिक भी जल जाएगा। यू डोंट हैव टू पुट केमिकल्स फॉर दैट फास्टर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ बर्निंग और इग्नाइटिंग कोल। सो फ्लेम टॉर्च, चिमनी स्टार्टर, फायर स्टार्टर, ये सब कुछ कुछ हम प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च कर रहे हैं। एंड वी आर ऑल्सो डूइंग अ फुल एडवेंचर किट, जहाँ पे वीकेंड स्टेकेशनिंग या एडवेंचर ट्रैकिंग के लिए आप जा रहे हो, इवन डेट एज एन एक्सपीरियंस, डेटिंग एज एन एक्सपीरियंस, यू कैन जस्ट open the kit and use those very easy to assemble products and get going with your very pleasant happy experience, because हमारा ये भी एक मिशन था कि हम बारबेक्यूइंग को अगर परकोलेट करवाना चाहते हैं भारत में, तो एक्सपीरियंस बहुत हैसल फ्री होना चाहिए, बहुत इजी होना चाहिए, बहुत मेस फ्री होना चाहिए, ताकि लोग उसको अडॉप्ट कर पाए। तो उसके वजह से जो भी हमको प्रोडक्ट्स अभी लगे विल बी गुड फॉर द मिलेनियल्स, विच आर नॉट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव। वन टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट है, 1500-2000 रुपए में आपको फ्लेम डॉस मिल जाता है। So those are those equipments and accessories that we're launching. Then we using state-specific herbs. We are now coming up with barbecue sauces. 2 sauces we are launching just now. The packaging अभी on है. So the idea is also to use, जैसे लाल साबुत लाल मिर्ची है, वो बॉम्बे में भी मिलती है, वो यूपी में भी मिलती है, बट एक स्टेट है जिसकी वो बेस्ट होती है। So in our organic barbecue sauces, we are using all of those state-specific herbs and flavors to be able to give ऑर्गेनिक सॉस एक्सपीरियंस। दीज आर लाइक मैरिनेट्स, जिसमें कि आप सपोज आपको कहीं बाहर जाना है तो आपने उसको मैरिनेट कर लिया पहले ही उस सॉस में, अपने पनीर टिक्का को, चिकन को, एंड देयर यू आर सिंपली रेडी टू स्क्यूअर इट एंड स्टार्ट टेलिंग। तो वो एक अगेन हैसल फ्री ऑब्जेक्टिव भी अचीव हो जाता है। तो वो है सॉसेज। एंड द लास्ट एंड नॉट द लीस्ट विल बी मर्चेंडाइज। सो टू क्रिएट अ वाइब अराउंड इट, ये सब तो हो गया टू मेक द प्रोसेस हैसल फ्री एंड ईजी, but to create a vibe around it, एक smarty hoodie जिसपे कि मोजो vibe लिखा है, some t-shirts, some chopping boards, all of those, some knives, cutleries, that would be the next phase of what we try to do to create the full spectrum of experience of barbecuing and grilling and eating.
This is really good because if we have everything on our kids, so we can also do it tension free.
Yeah.
Yeah. One more thing I would like to ask that being focused on more of a sustainable coal and barbecue experience in India itself is a unique idea. So how did you come up with this?
No, as I said, my passion was to always do something in the environment space to reduce carbon emissions. But as I evolved around, this whole idea, I realized that only coal could now really create the brand that the world wants. While the West today has coal brands, but India was not ready for it. So this whole idea was to create the, अब ये कोल यूज कहाँ होता है, ये बारबेक्यूइंग ग्रिलिंग में यूज होता है। सो दिस होल आइडिया केम फ्रॉम द फैक्ट दैट इफ वी वर टू encourage millennials to go and use smokeless fuel options, then only the smokeless fuel cannot create a brand.
Right.
Then you'll have to give them this full holistic experience of where this coal goes into use. So barbecue grills, then barbecue grill में या क्या क्या चल. So a lot of customer insights have gone into the creation of this whole. ऐसा नहीं हो गया कि मैंने सोचा और मैंने बना लिया. Because I've been talking to so many customers कि कैसे जलाते हो. तो अब कैसे जलाने में मैंने बहुत सारे यूट्यूब वीडियोस में भी समझा और देखा कि कस्टमर्स को ये प्रॉब्लम है कि इंस्टेंट नहीं जलेगा, ये ऑर्गेनिक है, केमिकल नहीं है इसमें.
Right.
तो उनको काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. सो देयर इज़ अ सॉल्यूशन अराउंड इट. सो ऑफर देम अ प्रोडक्ट. सो जहाँ-जहाँ भी वो कस्टमर इनसाइट्स हमें मिले, अ लॉट ऑफ कस्टमर सर्वेज वर डन. वेयर व्हेन कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स हैं, होम मेकर्स हैं, उनसे हमने आइडियाज़ लिए कि क्या-क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, क्या-क्या सॉल्यूशंस वो लोग देख रहे हैं. डू दे वांट टू रियली अडॉप्ट this kind of lifestyle if
Right.
provided with all of these easy to use equipments? The answer was yes. So वो सब होने के बाद में we created this whole storyline.
Very interesting. As you told about the customer experience, so have you faced any backlashes like half knowledge is dangerous? तो जैसे कि we talk about instant coal that contains chemical, but your coal doesn't. Like all the entire setup doesn't. So वो कैसे आपने face किया?
यार वो बैकलैश देखो, आई डोंट वांट टू रियली ब्लेम दोज हु कम विद हाफ अटेम्प्टेड नॉलेज और हाफ पेड इंफॉर्मेशन टू बैकलैश द ब्रांड. क्योंकि अमेजोन पे भी हम अक्सर ऐसे रिव्यूज कुछ कुछ देखते रहते हैं to say that the coal is not good for health and it has chemicals, जबकि वो ऐसा कुछ सच्चाई नहीं. So I think the more we communicate, use these platforms to talk about what we are doing, use more of my presence on my Instagram handle to talk about any such review or any such backlash that you are facing, for the larger people to then make common sense judgment कि कौन ठीक है कौन गलत है. आई एम नॉट हियर टू से मैं ही सही हूँ, बट मैं ये जरूर बोल सकती हूँ कि जो मैं करी हूँ वो सही है. I now let the people decide. So yeah, those are those moments that you tend to experience as part of a brand owner. To
Right.
learn to take it in your stride.
Would you like to touch upon more about your journey from B2B business to your D2C business? What was B2B business more like?
So B2B was when we realized that India, we were knocking the doors of industries, trying to understand from them, why can't they start using this for their industrial boilers? And there was a lot of resistance because nobody was ready to pay a price for a fuel for industrial boilers at that point in time. And people were very happy using old tires, whatever required to just, light up the boilers or ignite the boilers. So उस वक्त हमें कंपनी तो चलानी थी. So we started looking westward. India, that market was already, very much into this kind of a space where there were a lot of governmental controls for the industries to not just adopt whatever they want to because of environmental norms. So obviously वहाँ पे demand थी. So we started exporting, started with Lebanon, UK, Greece, Fiji. ये सब दो एक एक कंट्री ऐड होता रहा. सो वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग. तो B2B चलता रहा, एक्सपोर्ट चलता रहा. B2B कुछ कुछ सक्सेस हुआ कुछ कुछ कंपनीज के साथ यहाँ पे. सो वी स्टार्टेड सप्लाइंग देम. देन शार्प टैंक हैपेंड. देन दिस ब्रांड कॉन्शियसनेस केम. इससे पहले तो कोई ब्रांड का हमने सोचा नहीं था. थैंक्स टू अनुपम मित्तल. So he told me that, until and unless there's a brand in the making, what value do you think we can add? Because you guys are doing okay, in your B2B sport thing. But if we are required to add value, it has to be a brand that we would want to, because we were not never D2C that at that point in time. So वहाँ से input देखो, as you move along your journey, life is like an entrepreneur's life is like an amoeba. नो अमीबा कैसे चलता है, कभी सीधा उसका शेप नहीं होता है. वो जिस तरह से चल रहा होता है लाइफ, उस हिसाब से वो इवॉल्व होता रहता है और वो मूव होता रहता है. तो यू हैव टू कीप गोइंग. सर्टेन पीपल विल कम who are destined to come at that some right point in time in your life to be able to tell you something. Now it's your choice whether you adopt it or you throw it in the trash. So we just sort of went ahead, using every opportunity to learn from those who made sense, and that's how the journey worked.
Perfect. That was a very good thought that life is about all about like it's like an amoeba,
Yeah.
but the good part is it just keep expanding. Yeah. So in today's time and age, safety has become the most important parameter. I know one of the food industry brand who writes everything on their packaging that whatever things they contain. Can you talk about more about your packaging?
So the packaging, as I understand, is the first touch point on a brand with the consumer. So the packaging has to really talk about who we are. If we are a sustainable brand, then right from the choice of the paper that goes into packaging, to the fonts, to the brand identity that has been created, to the composition of what this core is all about. We've tried to put it all on the brand story, on the packaging. For example, for coal, now coal is organic, so and it's what happens is I cannot put the exact percentage of all of these components, like for example, volatile matter or ash or fixed carbon or moisture or ash on the package. Why? Because it's not fixed. Because I see you have to understand that it's not like I'm using the agricultural waste available. Now this agricultural waste comes from different people, different sources, from different fields.
Right.
The water quality, the coconut quality depends on the water in which it is being grown. Do you know this Polachi coconut, which is like Kerala का जो सबसे famous coconut है, Polachi में, उसका coconut का shell का composition will be different from a coconut जो shell हम उठाते हैं या हमें मिलता है from some other part of Kerala itself. तो अब वो क्योंकि shell ही अलग अलग पानी में आपको उसका जो composition है वो अलग होगा. I cannot put it on my box कि यार ये इतना ही percentage है. No, because this is all agricultural waste. But yes, on an average, we can say it's 72 to 75 to 78 also. So it's very hard to put it on the packaging for coal. We all know that if you were to, however, ask me to produce a lab report, the technical analysis report will talk about kitna percentage for that lot of coal which is packed in that box. So we have decided not to put that exact technical qualification on the box for the end consumer until the B2B shipments that we do. We obviously lot by lot provide the lab report to our customers for them to check if it is as per the specification or not. That goes for coal. Now for sauces, however, since that is in our control,
Right.
we provided all the compositions, their nutritional value for people to know what they're consuming. In fact, for the flame torch also, the usability score, how is it to be prevented, from closed spaces, like you have to use the safety precaution while you're using the flame torch in an open space vis-a-vis a closed space. All of those options are all put up in the packaging. Plus also the brand story is very powerful. So we've talked about how, so the tagline is barbecue is not just grilling, it is a vibe.
Yeah, true.
So over and over again, the pack, and there's one sort of a kind of a paragraph that we've written about why you can be sustainable as a brand or as an end user, uh, and you can still have fun and frolic. But at the same time, this goodness can be a part of how you're contributing to the planet. So all of that is a part of the packaging story that we taste.
Very nice. Very nice to hear this. We all know that there is an initiative going on, Made in India. So is Mojo Vibe doing something for it?
Yeah, we are a made in India brand because we are trying to solve a problem that Indians and India is facing at a larger level, which is carbon emissions. So I think that we are doing right from transforming agricultural waste into coal is, the kind of problem that India has. So we have tons and tons of agriculture, वो India में ही है, and the kind of manufacturing processes are all, the technology is an Indian technology, the machines are made in India, and our focus is going to be Indian customers more than the global customers.
Perfect. When I talk about fossil coal, so in the several reports that I have gone through, like in 2024, India ने सबसे huge amount में tons of coal has been imported. Similarly, I see a lot of agricultural waste is burned, like unfortunately is burned. What is your take on it?
See, the whole premise around this Mozobai brand, and when we started initially some years back, was to ensure that the agricultural waste gets its proper end use instead of being burnt post harvest. तो एक तो है कि आप वो वेस्ट जो जला रहे हो उसको जलाते रहो, जो फॉसिल को इम्पोर्ट कर रहे हो उसको करते रहो, एंड देन आप बोलो कि ये कार्बन एमिशंस की हम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करें, वो तो भाई होगा नहीं. अगर हम हाउएवर समझे कि कुछ टेक्नोलॉजीज़ हैं जैसे एग्रीकल्चरल बेस से ही आप कोल बना सकते हो जो कि स्मोकलेस है, तो भई इसमें सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट भी कुछ नहीं कर पाएगी। एंड बिकॉज़ इंडिया इज़ अ ह्यूज कंट्री, 140 करोड़ की पॉपुलेशन है। जब तक इन सबको ये हम अवेयरनेस, क्योंकि लोगों को पता ही नहीं है ना इस बारे में। फिर इफ दे वांट टू यूज़ इट, दे वोंट बी एबल टू बिकॉज़ दे आर नॉट अवेयर। सो दिस अवेयरनेस बिल्डिंग इज़ अ लार्जर मोमेंटम अराउंड व्हिच वी आर फोकसिंग। सो आई एम हियर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस बिकॉज़ वी हैव टू यूज़ एज़ मेनी अपॉर्च्युनिटीज़ एज़ पॉसिबल to really talk about it. So, using this agricultural waste, transforming this waste into coal, which is smokeless, is through a technology called pyrolysis or carbonization that we are using in India. And while there are conventional methods as well, but I think if you were to really scale the brand, then this is a better way to do it. So, yeah, I hope this answers.
Yeah. Also, I've gone through your Instagram. So you're doing a great job. Like I feel कि अगर खुद ओनर फाउंडर अगर अपने आप को वहाँ पे इंस्टाग्राम रील्स पे डाले, people connect personally. So have you thought about hiring some influencers before this?
No, yeah, obviously, social media is quite an influencer game, and I've not had some very good experiences with some influencers in the past. So I thought of, being the face of the brand in some little way wherever possible. But yes, not to say that we are not looking at collaborations. Why not? So we are definitely looking at people who are working in the sustainable space to really sort of be able to pitch with them and collaborate with them to really have a larger tone and message of the brand across the
Perfect, perfect. When I talk about fossil coal and compare it with other instant burning chemical wala coal, and if I talk about Mojo Vibe coal, what is the difference?
So I get it. This is a very good question because I used to get, and I'm still getting a lot of inquiries around कि आपका पोल इंस्टेंट नहीं चलता है। Amazon पे तो फीडबैक्स देख देख के कभी कभी मुझे लिटरली रोना आता है बिकॉज यहाँ मुझको बार बार बोले इंस्टेंट नहीं है क्योंकि केमिकल नहीं है, बट वो लोग कुछ कुछ ऐसा है वन लाइनर छोड़ देते हैं फीडबैक कि कोयला जलाने में थोड़ा टाइम लगा। तो टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि इसमें कोई केमिकल नहीं है, राइट? दिस गोज टू से दैट इट हैज नो केमिकल, सो इट इज टेकिंग इट्स ओन टाइम। बट उसको फास्ट ट्रैक करने के लिए बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली एट द सेम टाइम द एक्सपीरियंस इज इक्वली important as an end user. So there's this very beautiful flame torch which we are introducing, which we have introduced, wherein even an organic coal can be set up or ignited in less than 5 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes. The whole queue gets burnt. And there's a small tool called a chimney starter, especially for barbecue. तो बारबेक्यू में अगर आपको ग्रिल अपना सेटअप करना है और आपको कोयले को रेडी करके रखना है बिफोर योर फ्रेंड्स अराइव और योर गेस्ट्स अराइव, तो आप वो चिमनी स्टार्टर में सारा कोल इग्नी चिमनी फ्लेम टॉर्च से लाइट अप करके रेडी रख सकते हैं। और जैसे ही एक खत्म होता है आपका ग्रिल का सेशन, तब तक वो दूसरा ऑलरेडी रेडी है, तो पोल इज ऑलरेडी रेडी, सो इट हैज टू बी अ वेरी हैसल फ्री एक्सपीरियंस।
Right.
एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज एक्सेसरीज एंड equipments allow you to be quick, fast, quirky, enjoyable, and still sustainable. Still without chemicals, you're enjoying the whole experience. So that is the answer.
If I talk about pricing point of view, so how is Mojo Vibe doing here in this?
See, the margins are quite competitive. While on the website, there's a shipping cost, and those other costs have to be taken into consideration. But I think we're quite competitive as compared to most others who are trying to operate and come in a similar kind of a space for us. But if you were to benchmark against global prices, I think we are very, very sort of conservative in our pricings, and that is why going west makes a good sense for us because there's a big market there.
Yeah.
They're still waking up to the fact that there's this kind of an adventure or fun experience also waiting for them, which is also sustainable. But I think the West is much more bigger and matured market for our country.
Nice. When I talk about fossil coal, उसको burn करते वक्त, is there a certain amount of carbon emission that is happening as compared to Mojo Vibe coal?
You're talking about the instant coal?
No, your coal.
The fossil, okay, fossil
हाँ,
coal.
fossil coal versus the
Yeah,
Mojo Vibe.
Fossil coal, so the stats are these. 1 ton of fossil coal releases about 4,840 pounds of carbon emissions.
Oh God.
This is huge. While our coal is like literally net zero, very minimal carbon emissions, literally net zero, right? So that's the difference. Now, why the difference? You also have to understand that fossil coal is from under the earth. बहुत सालों के बाद हाई प्रेशर एनवायरनमेंट में इट्स डिप्लीटिंग नेचुरल रिसोर्स,
राइट।
और उसको हम भर भर के जला रहे हैं,
हम्म।
और फिर हम उसको इम्पोर्ट भी कर रहे हैं और उसको फिर से जला रहे हैं। तो ये जो विशियस सर्कल में हमने अपनी इकोनॉमी को डाल दिया है विद ह्यूज डिपेंडेंसी ऑन फॉसिल, दिस इज नॉट गुड फॉर a progressive nation like ours. So we will have to look at alternate energy sources of fuel. For example, the government is actually doing a lot. In the last 5 years, we've seen even in the gas space, we had some interest in the gas space also at some point in time. So Mr. Modi had, the government had started this initiative called Satat, जिसमें कि जैसे आप ये CNG stations देखते हैं ना, वैसे they had plans to launch, but CNG is again fossil. गैस है वो, बट फॉसिल है, नेचुरल गैस, राइट? सो उसको उसके पैरेलल वी वर टू स्टार्ट CBG स्टेशंस व्हिच इज कंप्रेस्ड बायोगैस। तो उसमें हमारा इंटरेस्ट था कि हम एक एक्वाटिक वीड है जिससे हम गैस बनाना चाहते थे। इंडियन ऑयल से 100 कंपनीज को लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट मिला था, जिसमें हमारी भी कंपनी थी। इंडियन ऑयल वाज मेड टू लीड दिस प्रोग्राम called Satat, और वो इनवाइट कर रहे थे एप्लीकेशंस फ्रॉम पीपल हु लाइक अस, बट वहाँ पे तब I don't want to name the government because it's not really wise enough, but the so there was this area in Delhi which we had allocated कि हम यहाँ पे वीड हार्वेस्टर्स लाएंगे पानी में, यहाँ से वीड्स कलेक्ट करेंगे, और पूरा पूरा जो इसका कैपिटल इंटेंसिव प्लान था। इंडियन ऑयल के हेड हमारे साथ उस गवर्नमेंट के जो मिनिस्टर थे उस टाइम के, उनके घर गए, बट देन कि हमें सिर्फ उस नाले से वो वीड निकालने का अप्रूवल मिल जाए, एंड वी वर नॉट ग्रांटेड दैट अप्रूवल। कैन यू बेट इट? हम सिर्फ एक वेस्ट को, क्योंकि वो गवर्नमेंट की प्रॉपर्टी है, राइट, वो नाला तो गवर्नमेंट का है, राइट, तो मुझे उसका अप्रूवल निकाल निकाल लेना पड़ेगा टू क्लियर द वीड व्हिच इज वेस्ट, but we were not we did not get the approval at that point in time, and so we had to hold on to that program. But then the point here that I'm trying to make is that there are a lot of governmental initiatives, right from Jatropha fuel to be used for aviation. Jatropha fuel is again a weed, right, is used to create aviation fuel. Similarly, there are a lot cow dung से fuel बन रहा है। ये बहुत सारे एग्रीकल्चर में जो इंडिया में बहुत है, चाहे वो वीड हो, चाहे वो काउ डंग हो, चाहे वो आप कोई और भी बहुत सारे ऐसे एग्रीकल्चर वेस्ट है। मस्टर्ड का जो प्लांट है उससे भी गैस बनती है। तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट वर्क्स बेस्ट फॉर कू, आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर वेस्ट आर देयर, and the government is trying to make a lead in terms of reducing the fossil burden of the economy, of the burden of the economy from fossil oriented to agri based economy, ताकि हमारी इंडिपेंडेंसीज बाहर लोगों पर नहीं रहे। हमारा देश का डेट बर्डन जो कि आज बढ़ता है क्योंकि हम फॉसिल पे डिपेंडेंट है, वो हम कम से कम कर पाए। तो इसमें सबकी एक कंट्रीब्यूशन इम्पोर्टेंट है, टू प्रैक्टिस सस्टेनेबिलिटी, टू हेल्प द नेशन मूव towards a greener economy such that we prosper as a nation.
Right, that was absolutely very insightful, Sapna. For the young entrepreneurs, people are more focused on startups and building brands right now. If you see India in past few years, a large portion of youth have been diverted to this sector. What one advice you would like to give to them?
I think we should all follow our hearts. Whether you sort of want to take your own time to understand what is your heart saying is a different, choice altogether. But at the same time, life is too precious to be wasted just to pay EMIs or just to manage a life. Life is in reality some purpose that you wanting to achieve in your lifetime. So yeah, if you see that there's this calling for which you've taken birth on this planet, why not just jump onto that thought or that noise or that voice that you get from within, latch onto it, and you will grow. Nobody can stop you.
That was a very good advice, Sapna. And let's have a quick few rapid fire questions. What is your all-time favorite thing to grill?
Oh, I when we are traveling, I do my breakfast on my grill.
Oh,
So yeah, my whether it's like a bread omelette or whatever, but then I definitely do my breakfast on the grill. Otherwise, Jenny, when I'm doing my recipes, I think chicken tikka or even the saute vegetables that we do, I love it on my way.
Which sauce you love the most, smoky or spicy barbecue sauce?
Smoky habanero.
Me too. Apart from the grill, one tool that every barbecue enthusiast should have.
I think, like we were talking about this instant burning phenomenon that people crave for, I think एक flame torch खरीद दो यार. One time investment है और बहुत अच्छा काम. Less than 2-3 minutes you can light up your coal wherever you are. In the middle of nowhere also. So I thought that's the one time product that we need to have.
And right now, if you want to throw a barbecue party, what is that one dish that you will keep on the menu? Your favorite one?
I think I'm more of a, a veggie person. So I think saute vegetables while you are like snacking. I think while you're like having a cheese toast and wine, saute vegetables go very well with that. So I love doing that.
And it's healthier too.
Yeah, it's very healthy.
Yeah.
Saute vegetables in my barbecue sauce. So one sort of dip, keep the chopped vegetables parboiled, dipped in the marinade, and then put it on the skewer. The taste is like exalted. It's like
I will try this definitely. Sapna, it was a very insightful conversation that I had with you, and thank you for bringing such incredible innovation in the energy sector. World needed it.
pleasure.
And thank you for being there. You were kind enough to take your time out for us. Thank you so much.
Yeah, मेरा इंटेंस ये था कि मैंने भी कभी ऐसे ही स्टार्ट किया था when I was like clueless.
Right.
And when you guys approached me, I also realized that if maybe my 2 or 3 hours of dedicated time can help them, why not? So great initiative, good work that you guys are into, and please let me know whenever in case I could be of help. All the best to the entire team.
Thank you so much, Sapna. Thank you. Gold, and we'll see you next episode. If you enjoyed the episode, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, it's never too late to chase your plan B. Stay bold, stay curious, and we'll see you in next episode. एक got it.
तेरा अकेले